When you search for the best 110-volt tankless water heaters, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Rheem Point of Use Heater. The Rheem 3.5 kW 120V Point of Use Thermostatic Tankless Electric Water Heater caught my attention right away. Priced at $285.06, it's tagged as a bestseller. And honestly, if you want hot water on demand without taking up much space, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With a flow rate of 0.9 gallons per minute, this heater is perfect for small applications like a bathroom sink or office break room. Plus, it has adjustable thermostatic controls that let you set the temperature from 80 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. So whether you need a gentle wash or a hot scrub, it'll give you exactly what you want. The compact size means it can fit almost anywhere, making it ideal if you're tight on space. The 4,000 reviews with a strong 4.2-star rating reflect its popularity and trustworthiness. Now, some people complained about the installation process being a bit tricky due to it needing hardwiring and a 30-amp double-pole breaker. Here's the thing though, if you're comfortable with a little DIY or can hire someone, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a reliable point-of-use solution. Skip this one if you need hot water for multiple fixtures at once or aren't ready to handle the installation challenge. Now, if the installation requirements of the Rheem bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, EcoSmart Eco 11 Heater. The EcoSmart Eco 11 electric tankless water heater immediately stands out with its compact design and price of $206.76. With a solid 4.3-star rating from over 5,800 reviews, if you're after energy efficiency and space savings, this one deserves your attention. This means you can enjoy a hot shower without worrying about running out of water. It's made for low-flow applications, so whether you're in a small apartment or just need an extra source of hot water, it's designed to meet your needs. Its self-modulating technology ensures it only heats water when necessary, saving you energy and money. That's a big deal if you're trying to keep utility bills down. Now, some users mention that it sometimes struggles with very cold inlet temperatures, affecting flow rates. But I'll be real with you, if you're in a moderate climate and using it for typical household needs, this shouldn't be a huge issue. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an energy-efficient option for a small space. Skip this one if you live in an area with extremely cold water or need to run multiple hot water sources simultaneously. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for larger needs. Product number 3, Titan Electric Heater. Next up is the Titan Electric Tankless Water Heater, priced at $243 and boasting a 4.5-star rating from nearly 1,000 reviews. If you're serious about efficiency and performance, this one might catch your eye. The Titan's efficiency rating of 99.5% is impressive, meaning almost all the energy it uses goes into heating water. It's compact with dimensions of 9.6 inches by 12 inches, making it perfect for tight spaces. This heater can handle multiple taps running at once, making it ideal for larger households or simultaneous use scenarios. With a solid reputation, it's no surprise that it's seen a good number of sales this month. Now, some users pointed out that it can be a bit pricey compared to others. Honestly though, if you want a unit that's going to last and provide ample hot water without hiccups, this investment can pay off in the long run. This is perfect for you if you have a larger household and need hot water on demand for multiple fixtures. Skip this one if you're only looking for a solution for a single sink. Now, if Titan's price point raised an eyebrow, the next option I have for you is more budget-friendly. Product number 4, Bosch Mini Tank Heater. Now let's take a look at the Bosch Electric Mini Tank Water Heater. Priced at $225.99 and with a whopping 4.3-star rating from over 11,000 reviews, this one is all about convenience. This mini tank heater has a 2.5-gallon capacity, providing hot water right where you need it. It fits neatly under your sink, so no more waiting for hot water to reach you. With a thermal efficiency of 98%, it's super efficient and can supply hot water to 2 sinks at once. That's a fantastic feature if you have a busy household. Plus, it can be plugged into a standard outlet, making installation straightforward without the need for hardwiring. It's perfect for those who want immediate access to hot water without extensive setup. However, some customers reported that it might take a moment to heat up, especially if there's a high demand. But here's the thing, for typical daily use, this shouldn't be a deal breaker, and the convenience it brings often outweighs that minor delay. This is perfect for you if you want hot water right at your fingertips without complex installation. Skip this one if you need hot water for high-demand situations or multiple sources at once. Alright, that Bosch option was a strong contender. But the last one on my list is fantastic if you're looking for something even more compact. Product number 5, CAMPLUX Instant Water Heater. Finally, we have the CAMPLUX 3.5 kW 120V point of use heater, which is a real steal at just $119.99. With a commendable 4.4-star rating from 1,400 reviews, this is a great choice if you're on a budget but still want reliable hot water. With a maximum flow rate of 2.5 liters per minute, it's perfect for single-sink applications. Plus, its small size means it can be installed in various locations without taking up much room, making it an excellent choice for kitchens, hair salons, or even boats. Some users have pointed out that it's only suitable for one sink, which can be a limitation. But let's be real, if you're looking for a quick, efficient solution for a single faucet, this could be just what you need. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable and compact tankless heater for one sink. Skip this one if you need hot water for multiple fixtures simultaneously. To sum it up, we've explored a range of options. Whether you prioritize space, efficiency, or budget, there's a tankless water heater here that fits your needs. To wrap things up, we've seen the Rheem, EcoSmart, Titan, Bosch, and CAMPLUX heaters, each with unique benefits tailored to different needs. Whether you're after something compact, energy efficient, or budget-friendly, there's definitely a fit for you. Make sure to choose based on your specific requirements, and you'll enjoy hot water whenever you need it.